Hello, my people. Need to move your GrabPay balance to your Malaysian bank account? It's super fast using that now. Let's do it. The first pass is in your phone to discharge this app. Well, here, open your Grab app and tap on the Finance tab at the bottom. Well, click here on the GrabPay wallet. Next tap on your own transfer, you will see several options, but we want to send it to a bank. Select bank account. If your first time, you will need to add a new recipient. Yes. Choose your bank like MyBank, CAM, or RHB and enter your account number. Make sure the name matches. Enter the amount type. You can only transfer your transferable balance, money added by a debit card or banking, not credit cards. Review the details, slide to confirm, and the money will hit your bank account instantly. No fees for transfer up to RM5. That's it. Save this for later and follow for more Grab hacks. If you like it, and especially if I helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.